everyone, my name is Amibo. If you are my returning subscriber, may God bless you. And if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Anytime I upload, you'll be notified. My people, this one is happening right now. Nah. It don't red, it don't bust. Ninja matter don't tire person. My people, make una watch this video so and leave your comment on my comment section below. Okay, my people.
Watch us suffer. Other than we must get Biafra. We must. That's the must. We need Biafra. Biafra we need. Biafra. Nothing more. Give us Biafra. No election. No. If you don't give us Biafra, Nigeria will scatter. No Biafra. No peace.
As you can see, they are still coming with their in the numbers.
Saga between Rivers State Governor Wike and Umahi. Umahi can't say God will give us a good president who had a good heart of this country like Buhari. Now Governor Wike can say why you go can't talk this kind thing. Which kind of prayer be this one when they pray for Nigeria? May Nigeria can't they experience this kind of thing when they experience now? Say who does that? You can't talk say whether this governor of Ebonyi state Umahi, whether he really they okay. May he go hospital. May he go check whether he really they okay. My people, I say this obodo Nigeria. You don't tire everybody. Everybody, not be only one person. Oh, my people, may I watch the video where Governor Wike can they talk to this governor. May he go check himself.
I saw a governor saying that he prays Nigeria gets another president like Buhari. Hi. I said, come. What has gone wrong with? You mean there shouldn't be psychiatric check on that governor? You see, psychophancy. And you know the president knows that you are telling lies.
My people, this one tire me. This one weak me. Today sit at home. And this one I be number one. When I know say this one a heavy one. This one really work. Upon say all the leaders, they don't want the youth. May they not sit at home. May they go back to their businesses, their shop, everything. When they do, may they go back. Now you to come cut chain. They say they know they agree at all. Now they come block everywhere. They block road. Everywhere was blocked. Everywhere, no market open, no shop open. This one really weak me. This one really show me say freedom is coming very soon. And Nnamdi Kanu, what he really talk, really they happen. And the youth really love this man. And this time, many people can open eye, can know what they happen for obodo Nigeria. Say leaders say they know they do well. Say everything when they do, say that they loot. They know their own pocket. They put everything they use am for their family. Say they no care for them. They go graduate, no work. Now they can't say they no dey agree again. No, say enough is enough. Every Monday now, they come they cut chain, they come out. But this one, now it really weak me. Upon say they want them, they use the power. Say they go press them. They say they no they agree at all until when they go release Nnamdi Kanu. Now they go enter house. May they do the needful before they will listen to the my people. Wahala. Another update. Bandits by soldiers on duty set. All prisoners free in Kogi prison. My people, something they really they happen for Bodo, Nigeria. You go talk say this one don't finish. Another one go still land gidigba. Something really they happen. If Nigeria leaders they not do something now, a lot will really happen. Honestly, things are really happen. Things are really going on in that Nigeria. Wetin be this one? Every day, all those police army I don't know, soldiers na person na he born them, na person born them, and the soldiers and the police and the army, they no wan use their head, they no wan side the youth. Wetin the youth they talk, I know say they really dey right for wetin they talk. They no even dey wrong. If Nigeria leaders, if they check this thing na true. This thing not true, very, very, very bad. This thing not good at all. Every day, buy for the country. Nobody can't dey safe for the country side. So more go remain now. Everybody go get wetin they go to use till they protect themselves. As this country they go now, as this country they go, they go where. May Nigeria leaders, may they sit down, may they arrange this thing where, may they talk. How this country go take move forward, not be kata everywhere. You go talk say this one another one go happen. Nigeria leaders, I beg, may not do wetin dey needful. If una know where this bandit, all these bandits they may not use once they capture them. May not use once first they catch them for where they are beg. This Nnamdi Kanu I can shock me for this one. He shocked me for inside this one. So Nnamdi Kanu when they Kenya. Now once they go find Nnamdi Kanu, go catch for Kenya, they come carry a come back for Nigeria. But this bandit now, they within Nigeria now. Nigeria see Nigeria leaders see bandits. They no fit capture bandits every day. Now bad result now that they give say bandit poof army, bandit poof soldier, bandit poof police, bandit by citizen. The thing not really sound well. Sound well for ear at all. Sound well. Sound well. May not do wetin they needful. Make the youth for happy again.